Good morning and welcome back, students. Today I am here with a new lesson, that is Maria Sharapova. It is the second part of our lesson, that is Reach for the Top. In the first part we have studied how Santosh Yadav have scaled the Mount Everest 2 times and became the first woman to do that. Now today we have been discussing about Maria Sharapova and how she became the world champion in 2005 and world number 1 tennis player. So before starting this lesson, I am going to show you just a minute. We will solve this match the following. There are some phrases or words we need to find out their meaning. Okay. Before this, there is a sentence. Before you read, we will try to understand it. A Russian girl, Maria Sharapova, reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18. As you read about her, see if you can draw a comparison between her and Santosh Yadav. So, in this story, we are going to study about a Russian girl who became the world champion or world number 1 when she was about 18-year old. And after reading this lesson, we will try to compare the two athletes, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. What are the similarities in their summit and what are the differentiations in their summit? We will try to find out. Before this, there is a match the following question. We need to find out the meaning of these phrases or words from the given box. Okay. At first, there is something disarming. Something disarming means, you can see here, something that makes you feel friendly. Okay. Taking away your suspiciousness. Now there is second one, at odds with. Okay. At odds with, we will try to find out what is the meaning of it. Yes, this one, in contrast to or not agreeing with. And there is third one, glamorous attire. Glamorous attire means attractive and exciting clothes. This one. Okay. Now the fourth one, in almost no time. Okay. And its meaning will be quickly, almost immediately. Now the next one, poised beyond her years. Okay. And its meaning will be more calm, confident and in control than people of her age usually are. Now next one, pecked off. Pecked off means sent off. And next one is launched. Launched means started. And the last one, heart wrenching. Heart wrenching means there is only one left. Yes, this one, causing strong feelings of sadness. So we will also try to find out what is the actual meaning or what is the meaning in this story of these phrases. So there are some questions for you. You need to find out their answers after reading this lesson. As you read, look for the answers of these questions. First one, why was Maria sent to United States? Why didn't her mother go with her? What are her hobbies? What does she like? And what motivates her to keep going?